Watch how tight this thing turns. This is the huge advantage of a wheel loader application. So when you're talking about being able to whip this thing around, I mean, it's unprecedented, your turn control here.
I don't know if I can even do that good in my Jeep.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. So reverse is all done through the joystick control. Pretty sweet. Let's straighten this thing out. And the big thing about wheel loaders, and I always forget, you gotta go first and then turn. I know, I'm having a little fun, sorry. All right, let's back this bad boy out.